So there's my Spitfire. We're just outside B&M. I had to park next to this. It's a Lotus 2+2. It's not convertible, but it's nice. I don't like it as much, but the 4 seats is good. Do we like it? Do we like it? We do, just not as much. Because we like it and it's a classic, what do? We give it a kiss. Kissing classics once again. Right, well, I'm going back into my Spitfire to get myself a tan. So let's have a little look. We ready to rock? Oh, that was embarrassing. I better pump it a little bit. Go on and I'll let you film a little bit. Bye bye Elan 2+2. Oh, got a little Fiat 500. I like them. Hear me chugging away. Look at that. Here we go.